Hello, I think we are live. Can you just write on chat if the sound good? We are live. Yes. Welcome, good people. I am very excited and happy again to be with you. This week I am alone. So last week we had very nice joint session with the Eldin, and it was very nice to hearing your good feedback. So this is motivating us so much. And this week I will actually go the same path that we talk, but it will go more from my point of view. So we will discuss what we are going to do in this track. And I will share my story again with you. Maybe many of you couldn't see the first kickoff call, so we will go all together throughout the program. So let's start a little presentation, actually. That would be nice to have. Let's see. Okay, so I will start first of all why I choose and the title this enable word game. Uh, and I will tell you that I am far from the mathematics. My background is art, so I was not so much familiar, but I wanted to put this name because I work in Flyrank as a director of enablement. So when I was thinking about enabling, I said, okay, let's put N as a variable. And today with the AI, we are able to do everything. So the title is coming from that nice game, and I am sure all of you understand that. So let's go. We are going to understand, first of all, what we are doing. So what we will do in this session is the talk about my story. So how I come here as a non-engineer and I became a director of AI enablement. And the idea of the general idea of this track is so general AI fluency. And then we will talk about what we are going to build. So this point is important because we have to go through one decision, one claim, one person, one action. So these things we will use every time during this session. The move. So this is very important because many of you, I started using the AI in the wrong way. So I was telling to AI, let's do this for me. Let's write it this task for me or do the things. But instead, here we will go more deeper to how to use AI and what is the correct way, what we are going to in this specific track, let's say. I will show you also the live demo of, again, I am hearing some audio comments. Just a second, guys, I will check. Mm, Let me see now. I made it more near. It should be done now. Mm, I am 100%. Okay, so maybe it was a bit far. Sorry, guys. Okay, I will use it. Sorry, I will use it like this. Maybe it's better. And last thing that I will show to you how I built this website, AI.fluency.flyrank.ai. So it would be interesting for you because I am also using AI to build the things, and I will show you how I started. So the starting point is very important. And of course, we are going to conclude with the question and answer. I will wait from you. So please, any question that you are having, just write down, and in the Q&A session, have a nice conversation together. So we week one. Actually, last week we were thinking like one, but we had a kickoff call, so it, we are just trying to reschedule the things, and we are starting with the week one. And again, I want to repeat about this 10-week things. Uh, many of you were thinking like it's 8 weeks or 6 weeks or whatever. Guys, this is a self-paced internship. So if you make it before, it's better for you. But many of you maybe are working or studying, so they don't have time. So take your time. It's self-paced. There is no pressure on it. So it's important that whatever you are doing it. I don't think again audio issue. Okay, I don't have anyone here to check it right now. Mm, one more check for the audio. Sorry. Okay. How is now? It should be okay. I will try to turn off the air condition if it's affecting. Okay, I hope it's understandable at least. So I will continue. Okay. So we are in week one. We arrived to here. Okay, it's fine now. So we are in week one. Let's say that we arrive to this point, and we don't have nothing to build in the hand. And this is I think, the most important place when we are starting to work. It's this one. So we are going to decide what we are going to build. So this step is many people are just skipping, and then we are having more issue, or they are having more issue to recover the things or to fix the things, and it's just you are losing the time and maybe even the concentration, or maybe the point what you want to build. And end of this week, so till Friday, we are going to leave this track, the session with the things that we have a proof of statement. We will have a little sitemap. So what are you going to build? We will have a little skeleton, little structure, and of course the tools that you use, or what kind of AI workspace you use. You are going to use during this week. But there is no restriction. You can use any tools, any AI tools that you feel more comfortable. Okay. So for your end, so enable yourself. No, I again repeat. I work here as a director of enablement. I am touching people for enablement. So this is the hitting part. But the most interesting thing that I can say about my job is I work with amazing people, like talented developers, engineers, and you can believe me, I am like you guys. I mean, every time, every day I am coming here, I am learning a lot of things from them. And many times it's happening also the solutions that I am finding with using AI, maybe they were just not look in that way. Maybe my advantage in here, because I am not coming from the same background like them, and a little bit with the different view, with the different mindset. You are able to again audio. Oh my God, this is so making me unhappy. Guys, sorry, I will just switch the microphone. Sorry. Okay, now I think right now it should be on everything. Yeah. Okay. So sorry, guys. I'm not understanding so technically why this is happening. Let's go. Again, repeating the same thing. We are in the first. I am so sorry. I am reading now the messages, the chat. I will try to continue, guys. If it's really not good, maybe we can just reschedule this, and I will just reach out to our creative guy and to see technically what's going on. Uh, what do you think? I stop here. If it's not understandable, I don't think it's good to take your time. Okay, let's continue. If not, we will make again one more session. No worries. Okay. Okay, perfect. All good. Okay, let's turn to my story. I told you in the first kickoff session, and very long time of my life, I work as a photographer, designer, whatever related with the creative of the image. So I earn my bread with that. And during the COVID pandemic, I was thinking already to change the things in my life because that period is make you feel like you really need to make some changes. So I start watching like hours of tutorials, trying to do the things, following the professionals that they are teaching you. So I was in your position where you are right now. And after some period that I was really wishing to learn, like you are waiting something will happen and you are just starting. Uh, so you are just starting with the doing the things with the after watching like 10 hours of tutorial. But of course, the harsh reality is not that. Um, what happened after that? I said no. I am not able to understand, so I quit. Uh, and after that, I approximately 6 7 months after the OpenAI, they released their first GPT version. I think I don't remember now. It was like playground, and I was very into it, and I was feeling like, I am understanding a little bit what it's about. So I was just trying to do with that tool. Uh, then I start building with AI. So the first thing that I did, it was a very stupid web app. Was working like you are scanning the QR code from the table. It's opening you the menu from the place. You are ordering from the menu, and then this order going directly to the WhatsApp of the place, so the restaurant, let's say. So this is really interesting story for me because that time I was saying this is terrible. I can't show this to anyone. Like we are ashamed, no, for the things. I mean, just sending it to the WhatsApp number. It's absurd. But the things that interesting, and today I am understanding about the value of that job. That was working, so people were using it. Uh, so the the things that you are trying to do today, always try to think in that manner. So imagine that you are building your website today. You can do it in 3 hours, for example. I mean, I am telling you like building it. But if we are talking about the period before AI, you would really need someone that building it for you. You have to have a copywriter, so writing the text for you. You would need a image. You would need the images, which is today you can produce with the AI easily. Okay, I am I am really confused, guys. Some of them they are saying that the mic is having issue, but some of you says it's okay. I will just try to ignore it. We can really repeat this again, or I can just share it with you once more. And no worries, guy. I will just keep going because I can't really concentrate reading constantly about my issues. So what I was talking to you, that was 2020 or beginning of the 21. I don't remember exactly, but my first experience with building things was back in 2009 when I was studying in Italy. Uh, I am from Turkey originally, and when I was 19, I moved in Italy with a scholarship, and I started living there. During my stay, first weeks, I just wanted to order a pizza, and I was asking my friends if there are some websites that we can just order food. I am sure many of you are today ordering the food by mobile phone or different apps. But in that time in Italy, they didn't have any app for this kind of services. And that was my first project. Why I am telling you this? That time for building this project, I think I and some of the professionals that I had to hire, we spent more than a year and a half for having a prototype. I mean, the working version. Uh, and today you can just work with the small team, 3, 4, and you can build this system. I think 100 hours, maybe even less. I mean, it's depend of the futures. Okay. Again, I just start reading the things. Okay, guys, let's reschedule this. I am so sorry for this issue. I am not sure what's going on. Check all the settings. The mic settings on, but it's not going on. Even if I now I switch it to the MacBook. Is it better now? Okay, let's try. I just switched to the MacBook. Okay, it's good now. Let's continue. So sorry. I am not sure what was going wrong with the mic. Okay, I am just reading some questions here. Please keep the questions for the Q&A session. So I'm going to I'm trying to answer all of them. Uh, So I was talking about my project in Italy and what happens, how it ended. I am talking about this just for giving you some inspiration because today with AI, really easily you can do many big projects if you just put the things all together. So the thing I'm pointing at here, one thing that you are going to prove to yourself, it's not just the how good idea is, but the with AI you can really make it fast present. So it's the important thing. Today's let's say a really good in lucky period because uh, I am repeating again the same, but like 5 years ago, the many things that we are doing today with the help of AI, it was maybe taking us a day, maybe 3 days, maybe weeks, maybe even. So let's turn back to our track. Okay, guys, we will reschedule this. I will do it probably tomorrow. Let's make it tomorrow same, uh, and I will have some technical guys with me, so I'll have this. So see you tomorrow. Deal? No, I let's reschedule, guys. Let's do it tomorrow, same hour. We will just sit. I will have also the yeah. In mind. We are using the same one. Let's reschedule tomorrow. I am so sorry for this. So see you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.